Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex fam and followmytrades.com, here with Trade Theory for Tuesday, February 1st, 2022. I'm looking at gold right now on the weekly chart, and it's starting to gain momentum again. As I look at the daily daily movement, it is still technically in a downtrend, but price is pulling back off of that, which means that in the lower time frames, you'll probably find some buy opportunities. I see one that's actually established here, and prices started to move higher. So look for some short-term buying opportunities. And possibly if price gets back above 1847.20, then we'll be in a full-on buy on the daily. And my target is still 1950.11 on this. And although it's been challenging, I'm highly confident that it will eventually reach the target at some point this year, with the economy probably taking a breather just by way of what all that's happening and the resetting of interest rates and a lot of things that are happening economically. I don't see why gold would not continue to rise in value versus the dollar over the course of the year. Looking at Bitcoin, price has moved higher. It's moved up into this critical point in the 38,464 area. I mentioned previously that I didn't really see many ways that price got back above and stayed above 40,000 with Bitcoin, but there is one more opportunity within this week for it to get up to about the 40,000 mark. So that means you can take some short-term opportunities to try to make money off Bitcoin. But as it stands for the long term, I think that Bitcoin is poised to actually continue falling. So the target that I have, it's actually bounced off of the 38,743.83 target that we spoke of about a week ago. And prices pulled back. It's taken a breather. And now the next target is the 30,000. What is it? 30,000. 32927, so the low 30,000. So about $10,000 from where it is right now is where I expect Bitcoin to fall. So right into this area. So just be mindful if you're trying to take short-term opportunities. If you think that Bitcoin's price has gotten to where you want to buy and hold it and keep it if it were me. But as a trader, I like to take income on an ongoing basis, so I don't really hold assets like Bitcoin over the long term. If you want to learn how to analyze and do this for yourself so that you can create income, click the DIY option on the fmtrades.com site. If you want the DFY option, whereby we will do what's called cash flow building on your behalf, where you plug into our system and we help you generate cash flow, much like having your own business, but without the employees, overhead, or the need to do it yourself. Go ahead and go to fmtrades.com and click the DFY button. I'd love to see you there. Love to have you part of the Forex fam for 2022. Let's get money and happy trading.